Hey everyone, I'm Harley here at Peace Fans. I thought we'd shoot a really quick video today showing you the differences between a Metris Camper and a Vanagon. Get a ton of questions from Vanagon owners wondering, should I transition to a Metris? Why not? And we just thought it'd be useful to show you some of the key differences as you're making that decision. But first I will say one quick second, it makes us sad to see people move, but we totally understand it. There's room in our hearts for both vehicles, and we know there's room in the world's heart for both vehicles. So one of the key differences, the seat in the Metris actually moves into 4 different positions. So I'm going to find another little spot here. This is just one of the positions. Hello, I think I'm still in the camera. And it can move back into the position. This is the position it almost always lives in, because this is the position where it turns into a bed. And one of the key differences is the bed. Super comfortable because it folds 100% flat. And it is so comfy. Otherwise, the rest of the van is a lot like your Vanagon. You've got your stove, your sink, your fridge. But the key difference that I have to bring your attention to is the overall size of this van. It is smaller than your Vanagon. We haven't done the tests to figure out how much smaller, but we feel like the headroom is about 4 inches less, and kind of the arm span, maybe like 6 or 8 inches less. It definitely feels tight for 5 people, even though there are 3 3-point seat belts. Oh, by the way, another key difference, integrated 3-point seat belts with ISOFIX child restraint systems to latch your child seat into. So that's kind of the key difference on the inside, is that roominess, a little bit smaller. But with the features of all the 3-point seat belts, the headrest, the perfectly fold flat bed, the seat that moves into positions, a lot of added value. Next, I'm going to show you the pop top. Alright everyone, I also need to show you the difference between the pop tops, because that is a critical difference, both on the pro and the con side. First of all, I'm going to pop the top for you. So you'll notice all this headroom all the way back. Look, I'm standing up all the way in the back of the van. Super. This is where the Metris actually feels bigger when the top is up. It feels a little bit smaller when the top is down, because the entire bed structure, unlike your Vanagon, covers this. But the good news is, unlike your Vanagon, the Metris is incredibly comfortable to sleep up there. So you saw how easy the top was to go up. Like modern Vanagon tent, there are 3 windows in the Metris. One cool feature is there's 2 screens, so fresher. You actually have a fixed kind of plastic window over on this side, so if it's raining, you can close up all the windows but still get a lot of natural light. But the absolute best part of the Metris pop top is the bed. I'm going to pull the bed down, super easy. Now that we're in the pop top, there's one thing I want to show you that is vastly different than the Vanagon. Look at all this room back here. You could even sleep with your head facing this way. You could never do this in a Vanagon. And there's just more room up here. And like I showed you a minute ago, I mean, this bed, like I am actually kind of falling asleep right now. So what makes this so comfortable? Not only the thickness of the mattress, but look at these super cool springs. And if you want to power devices or have some reading lights or something while you're up here in the pop top, we have dual USBs, one on each side, so you can have 4 devices charging off your second battery while you're snoozing in the pop top. Okay, one final feature of the pop top that I want to show you, how easy it is to close, and that's from 2 perspectives. One, to close it, you just pull the bed down, comes right down, and then you pull the top down, and you're not going to see this, but this is one of my favorite parts. The pop top tent has little spring kind of things inside that pull the tent in, so no more walking around the van tucking the tent in. And I'll do that, and you'll see how easy it is. Just pull it down, the tent tugs itself in, Like I'm not even going to have to walk around the van at all. And the top comes down. Voila! The tent top is down, tent is tucked in, and you're all good to drive away. Okay, one final thing I'm going to show you different between the Vanagon and the Metris. Look, there's no motor back here. Oh my God, where'd it go? Like a modern car, the motor is in the front of the Metris, meaning you have a ton of storage room in the rear of the Metris. And a little hidden table tucked behind that seat. All this room, and if the seat is actually moved forward, you have even more room here in the back for rear cargo. Oh, here's the water tank. And by the way, here's where we tuck the heater and the propane for the stove. So that's it. Thank you guys very much for this little mini tour of the differences between a Vanagon and a Metris. Hope it was illustrative and informative. Of course, there's massive differences when you get in and drive them. We can cover that on another video. Thanks for tuning in.